You saw the title of the video. I'm crazy and I love my cats. So I'm gonna give them the most stimulating experience of their life. Apart from what got me inspired to do this is the fact that I saw someone online blowing up balloons for like doing balloon animals, and then I was like, because I was going to do a video of just stimulating my cats and just like finding different activities, but this is more chaotic, more fun, and I have drawn my plans out. They put their little tutors in the grass and the dirt sometimes just so they can feel some, you know, they need to ground themselves. So we allow them, but the festival is mostly going to be in the deck and porch concrete area. Now, on the right side of the deck and porch area, or whatever, the backyard, we're having a water area. I like watching water. And so what I planned on doing is have a little fountain area that has a sprinkler inside of a box. Also got another baby pool. That's where we will try to put like floating toys in there. And I also got that from the dollar store. Isn't that crazy though that you can get this shit from the dollar store? A baby pool at the dollar store. It's probably not big, but that's kind of crazy. So after that, we have the games area. Obviously, you need games at a festival or a carnival. So I have like little shot cups and then regular cups that are going to have toys under them so they can tip them over, because I saw a game on while I was scrolling. I'm going to do a paper towel roll activity. Now, I have not collected paper towels. However, I think that we can DIY some with some like cardstock paper. Next to the paper towel roll activity, they're gonna have other toys that they own, because I'm not about to buy new toys for them. And we have a little butterfly net. Okay, the butterfly net. We have a specific net for butterflies. They love going in it, and imagine it outside. Now, our non-controversial petting zoo. Now, what you think? It's literally gonna be a cage with all of their moving toys. Come on, that's funny. And the reason why I call it a festival, like I've been interchanging between festival and carnival, is because we're having a campgrounds area. My cats love boxes. What we got is a cat tent and a cat tree house that I found pretty cheap, and I was like, I really want that. And then we're gonna have some random cardboard boxes. So yeah, that is the plan right now. So far, that's the majority of what the cat festival is gonna be. Ray, are you excited for the carnival? Raven. I ended work about 10 minutes ago. They immediately want to go outside.
All right. So as you can see, this is the layout, the lay of the land. I'm not.
So yeah, I think we actually have too much work. I think we have too much room to work with. Haul time. Oh my gosh. I want to show you everything that's going to be in the cat carnival, except for all of the toys that they already have. This is just what I acquired. But yeah, we'll start with the bigger ones. So I got a freaking cat tent, obviously, for the campgrounds. Next campground item. We have a cat tray house.
I got
this baby pool. Isn't that crazy? crazy? They just sell baby pools at a dollar store. I didn't know they sold them at the dollar store, but I saw it and I said, this is actually perfect for my, you know, little fountain from the dollar store as well. It's actually perfect for what I want. The little cups, I want to stack them up so they can tip them over. And I got medium cups so I could put little toys under them, because I really hope they enjoy. Okay, this is for the pool. I got multiple rubber duckies because no carnival's complete without a rubber ducky game that they'll never play. However, this is the fun part. I got robot fish that just swim by themselves in the water. I'm pretty pumped about this. They're gonna have a blast with these. And then, of course, I got another fountain, or not fountain, sprinkler. You can't have more than, you know, you can't have too many, just in case. And then I got these. For the campgrounds, we have one single token cap, because I have to keep counting them because my son eats inanimate objects. So we're too scared to leave him with small objects. Oh yeah, and then I got cardstock. And guys, am I crazy that if it goes to the wrong side of the internet, I'm done for. Anyway, I'm so excited. I love my cat so much, and sorry, I'm thinking about cats again. Great. Okay, so I think this DIY is gonna be pretty easy. So let's see. Or do we do this way? I think we're gonna do it hot dog style. Okay, they're already digging it. This is great. Don't do that. He's helping me do DIYs. Okay. I'm just saying, trypophobia warning. Trypophobia warning. I mean, this whole montage is probably a huge warning, so I'm gonna show you the whole thing. Boom. Isn't that... Okay, so today is the day for the carnival, and I'm so excited. However, we have some caveats. The carnival has to start at noon because I have to teach my kids, I have to teach my cats that I'm only taking them out at noon because whenever I work from home, my son wails in the morning. And so I'm trying to teach them we're going out at noon when I have lunch, and then we're going out after work, which is after 5 p.m. I'm gonna try this out, doing some shit, and I be having a microphone. I got my fish toys. I just want to see how they work. Oh my. Another creature. Oh my gosh. Dude, they're gonna love. Oh my god. The freaking neighbor gave us fruits. That is so nice. I wonder if we crank it up to 5,000.
don't know what to do with the flamingo. Guys, my little cups are being ruined by the wind. Okay guys, it is about time for this carnival. Gotta find copyright, non-copyright carnival music, okay? Dark music? I'm not. No way! Do you have your ticket? Hey! Do you have your ticket? Hey! Do you have your ticket, dude? Go check it out. What do you think? I guess he didn't like the cups that keep flying up. They're going to break when they see these fish. No, I think it's Stormy's turn. No, I think it's, okay. 3 kitties in the villa. And there he goes.
Switching sides.
You don't want to enjoy the carnival? This is nothing I ever expected. You guys, you don't even like the carnival. What's this? I'm scared. This is Carnival Park. Relaxing meditation, deep sleep music for insomnia. The first comment says, the song helps me sleep after a brilliant night at the circus. You didn't even buy tickets? Did you even buy tickets? They love the campground. I gotta turn that shit off. See if they go over. Boxes, dude? Boxes. He loves the boxes. Oh. The carnival's crazy. I did this all for you guys.
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
An ant just went in the camera. After the carnival, I'm probably gonna take everything inside and see what they genuinely like, because without the stimulation of being outside, I want to know what they like, what they don't like, and what they want to play with. Carnival's gonna get rained out tomorrow, but the next day we're gonna run it again because there's a couple people who are off in my family who want to see this happening. It actually went as I expected. I'm a bit disappointed, however, like, I kind of expected it because they're outside, they're stimulated, like, whatever. It was genuinely, like, once at least Binks, once he got used to it, he was able to kind of like, okay, what the hell's going on here? Would you rather eat a bug? Oh my gosh, she's so little, so perfect, so beautiful. Can I hold your hand? Do you want to go back to the carnival? Do you have your ticket? Not my son. Hi, Max. He's the type of kitty cat to not want to go outside. He's scared of outside. I just like shake it around. I just shake it around. Oh, and there you go. Like, I'm the only one excited about these fish. Look at all. That's so cool. And Binks is like over there. Look at Binks is over there, not giving a shit. Binkies, look it. What do you think, Bink? He's just happy to be here. I don't know how you do the turtle. How you like... Oh, there. Okay. Guys, I'm more interested in these fish than my cats are. Ray? Ray? So sweet, so little, so perfect. Buy a ticket. Hey, you didn't buy a ticket. Raven, stop it. He doesn't want to participate. He doesn't want to participate in the carnival. And that's something that you can guarantee. Guys, I'm the only one enjoying this. Enjoying this. I'm thinking you're the only one who likes the carnival. He's in the butterfly tent event. Not anymore. Hey, you're not gonna beat him up.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
I like one. Okay, we're gonna do something a little different, and we're just gonna do one event outside. Oh no. There's a chipmunk involved.
Ticket, please. Thank you.
Anyone want to give me their tickets? Okay, guys, how do you feel about the campgrounds? Day three. How do we feel now? Did you feel a certain way?
Nope.
Anyone want to go in this? Binks? Oh my gosh, you're listening. That's crazy. Halt. No, there's two crows. They're talking to each other. I think they're talking shit about our carnival. Some interest. Again, he loves this. I think I'm putting words in his mouth. I think he likes it. Mama, a sprinkler behind you. All these cats are like, what the fuck is all this shit on the floor? Turn out.
Thank you to our 3 guests. Now 2.
It's when a tree gets injured or like gets a scratch on it and it slimes
I don't know what
up.
I'm talking about, and I never have. I never really have.
Scratch on it.
And
Who's
it's
scratching it?
well, everyone. You're not scratching it? I'm like really proud. He's a kid that I get scared too whenever he goes outside. What does the bird have? Oh, he has a bug, I think. Yeah, I'm having fun, guys. Guys. Hey, dude. Hey, Toopies! You're so nice and not frazzled. Oh, he loves boxes. How do you feel about this event? Yeah, you feel pretty good about it.